Hi, folks. Thought I would put a message out here to invite feedback about the kinds of phenomenological materials that I'm putting out, both solo but also with Adnan Hussein, my friend and collaborator in the work on Sufism and phenomenology of meditative experience. Um, as somebody who teaches grad students phenomenological psychological research and someone who's involved in working in a hands-on way with meditators to learn how to describe their own practice, and also as somebody who's engaged in scholarship in a way that's important but secondary to those hands-on activities of teaching and kind of mentoring in meditative practice. It's always a bit of a mystery to me, like who's the audience in social media land for any of this. And so, really, the invitation here is brief or long comments of whatever kind of feedback comes to you about what piece of what I am sharing here, whether it's about Husserl or Eugen Fink or Merleau-Ponty or uh, mysticism, classical Sufism, and the way that I'm bridging phenomenological philosophy and psychology with Akbarian approach to meditative experience. Whatever strikes you as relevant and interesting, it would be good for me to hear about that because um, the downside of talking into a camera is that there's no nonverbal communication coming or verbal communication coming back the other way. So, long way to say comments and input and feedback is much appreciated. Thanks.